Looking for the best gifts for her in 2025 that truly stand out? Forget the usual coffee mugs and treat her to something extraordinary this year. We've scoured the market to bring you a hand-picked list of unique and thoughtful presents that will genuinely surprise and delight any woman in your life. Our top picks go beyond expectations, catering to various interests from tech enthusiasts to pet parents and fitness lovers. Don't wait. Make sure to check the description below for links to grab these incredible gifts before they're gone. Number 1. The Anker Nano Power Bank is an absolute game-changer for the tech-savvy woman always on the go, offering lightning-fast charging in a sleek, ultra-portable design she won't believe. Next, for the woman who appreciates a perfect brew, Number 2. The Nespresso Vertuo Next delivers barista-quality coffee at the touch of a button, transforming her morning routine. For the ultimate comfort seeker and even the most dedicated gamer, Number 3. The Secretlab TITAN Evo chair provides unparalleled ergonomic support and luxurious design, a truly surprising upgrade. Pet parents will be thrilled with Number 4. The Furbo Dog Camera a revolutionary device that lets her toss treats and interact with her furry friend remotely, bringing joy and peace of mind. Finally, for the active and health-conscious woman, Number 5. The Fitbit Charge 6 offers advanced health tracking and smart features, empowering her fitness journey like never before. These aren't just products, they're experiences designed to show her how much you care. This list proves that thoughtful gifting is truly an art, and these selections for 2025 are nothing short of masterpieces.